So amid the outrage over the gruesome rape and murder of a Kolkata doctor and the subsequent lapses in the investigation, what added to the anger amongst the medical fraternity is the vandalism that happened past midnight at the RJ Kar hospital. Now, in response to the mayhem that unfolded at the midnight, where at the hospital, at the same very hospital, this gruesome rape and murder of a trainee doctor was reported. The IMA, meanwhile, has announced withdrawal of the medical services from 6 a.m. tomorrow till 6 a.m. on Sunday. Now, while the routine OPDs will remain restricted, emergency services will continue. The apex body of the Indian medical professionals took the decision after visiting Bengal and taking stock of the situation. The Federation Resident Doctors Association has also decided to resume its strike following the mob violence that was reported past midnight, right after they had called it off.
प्रोटेस्टिंग स्टूडेंट्स के ऊपर एक ही बहुत ही वायलेंट हमला हुआ और जबकि पुलिस भी वहाँ खड़ी थी और प्रशासन भी मौजूद था, कोई हेल्प नहीं मिली। कि हमारा जो पहला और सबसे मुख्य डिमांड है सेंट्रल लॉ अगेंस्ट द वायलेंस अगेंस्ट द मेडिकल प्रोफेशनल्स एंड द हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स। ये क्यों चाहिए हमारे को कि वी वांट ए कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव बिल अगेंस्ट द वायलेंस। लगभग 25 स्टेट में बड़े टूटे फूटे लॉज हैं जिसके बारे में इवन पुलिस को नहीं पता। एक मीटिंग हुई थी जिसमें नेशनल पदाधिकारी और सारे स्टेट्स के पदाधिकारियों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया। उसमें आगे नेशनल IMA ने सभी स्टेट्स को एम्पावर किया कि आप अपने अपनी स्टेट्स में प्रदर्शन को और ज़्यादा पुख्ता करिए।
Now, as far as the investigation is concerned, the CBI has intensified its probe, with sources suggesting that the relevant aspects of the case that are also being investigated through forensic examination that is being carried out. The CBI team also visited the same hospital last evening and examined the planes where the occurrence of crime happened. Now, when it comes to the CBI Special Crime Branch, that has summoned at least 5 doctors for interrogation in connection with the case. So far as the vandalism is concerned, 19 people have been arrested so far, and a few others who have been detained for the mob violence. Those who have been arrested, they have been now sent to police custody till the 22nd of August, and raids are also being simultaneously being conducted to identify the other accused. Kolkata police, which has also registered 3 suo motu cases in connection with the hospital vandalism. But what is even more surprising is that once again, the hospital authorities have not filed any complaint even after such large-scale mob violence happened, and they destroyed and vandalized a portion of the property. In the rape and murder case, there was no complaint from the hospital, and it was the parents of the victims who had to file the complaint. Even when it comes to the protesters who gathered outside the RJ Kar hospital and tried crossing the barricade, but they were stopped by the police in time.
RJ Kar अस्पताल के बाहर हमें, और आप देखिए यहाँ पर एक जो है ग्रुप आया था विरोध प्रदर्शन करने। आप तस्वीरों में देखिए किस तरह से महिलाओं को जो है धर पाकर करते हुए जो है लेकर जा रहे हैं। पुलिस उनको गिरफ्तार कर रही है, कह रही है कि वो यहाँ पर सड़क जो है अटकाकर ऐसा यहाँ पर रोक नहीं सकती है। ऐसे में आप देखिए किस तरह से पुलिस तमाम वो जो है लोगों को गिरफ्तार कर रही है जो यहाँ पे विरोध प्रदर्शन कर रहे थे, और सड़क जो है खाली करने की कोशिश की जा रही है। उनको हटा दिया गया है और उनको जो है आगे की कार्रवाई के लिए उनको गिरफ्तार किया गया है। आपको तस्वीरों के माध्यम से दिखाना चाहेंगे। तमाम पुलिसकर्मी जो यहाँ पर पहुंचे हैं, उन्होंने ये गैदरिंग को जो है हटा दिया और ये कहा कि वो RJ Kar अस्पताल के पास नहीं जा पाएंगे। और ये चीज तब की जा रही है जब कल जो हमला हुआ था RJ Kar अस्पताल में डॉक्टरों पर, और उसके बाद ही आज सुरक्षा इंतजाम को पुख्ता किया गया, और उसी को मद्देनजर रखते हुए बैरिकेड्स भी लगाए गए हैं हॉस्पिटल के बाहर, और जो है यहाँ पर उनको गिरफ्तार किया गया है और उनको लेकर जाया जा रहा है।
Meanwhile, Times Now has also tracked down the batchmate who died back in 2001. It was the first claim that he had committed suicide, but later it came to the fore that it was actually a case of murder. Recalling the incident over 23 years ago, Saumitra's batchmate, who is now taking part in the present protest, has said that even in that case, there was an attempt to suppress the facts. And he also asserted that the ruling party has always had a big influence on the RJ Kar hospital and also with its administration.
That was in 2001. We are then final year medical students here. So Soumitra was staying in hostel at Belgachia. And one evening we came to know that he has committed suicide. We are very shocked. We are classmates, so we could not know the story, what happened to him, because we are not very close, though, because we are batch of 150 students. After 3 months, one news came in the Times of India. First page news was there that this is not a suicide case, but it's a murder. At that point of time, the ruling party and their student organizations, they tried to suppress the voice of the mother. And that was in strike in our mind, that why they are trying to suppress the voice. At that time, what happened, that the college authority was not very prepared to go for investigations. And the state machinery was also reluctant to have high-level investigations. For that, we have to do regular movement like this, what is happening now, to conduct a high-level investigation. Ultimately, we succeeded to go up to CID investigation at best at that time. We could not go for even better, just like now.
So RG Kar Medical College and Hospital always had this influence of the government or the ruling party in dispensation over the authorities of the hospital here?
Yes, that is correct.
Well, politics that has been also continuing to snowball in the entire matter, with both the TMC and the opposition BJP that have planned protests, while Mamata Banerjee will be leading a protest march seeking justice for the victim and demanding that as far as the probe that is being conducted by the CBI be expedited. BJP, on the other hand, has called for the blocking of roads in all districts, will also be holding a candlelight march at the CM's residence in Kolkata. The BJP planning press briefings in Kolkata case as well in all state capitals, with Smriti Irani, the former union minister, set to hold it in Bengal's capital.
कल दोपहर को 2 बजे भारतीय जनता पार्टी हर जिले में रास्ता रोको करेगी और उसके साथ साथ हम पब्लिक को आह्वान करेंगे कि आप 2 घंटे के लिए अपना पेन राउंड करिए, आप अपना जो व्यवसाय है, जो बिजनेस है, उसको बंद रखिए और सॉलिडिटी दिखाइए जो बहन के साथ दुष्कर्म हुआ है उसके न्याय के लिए। उसके साथ साथ भारतीय जनता पार्टी कल से लगातार अवस्थान में शुरू करेगी और वहां पे मैं डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन मैं भी बैठूंगा, जरूरत पड़े तो पूरी रात रहूंगा उधर, और सारे नेतृत्व, हमारे विरोधी दलों नेता शुभेंदु अधिकारी जी, हमारे पूर्व अध्यक्ष दिलीप घोष जी और बाकी जो नेता है, सबको इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए पार्टी की तरफ से आह्वान किया गया है और वो इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे।
We strongly oppose the call of Bandh, maybe called by any party. Left and BJP, they are trying to politicize the issue and they are trying to take advantage out of this. At this moment, this is the responsibility of CBI. Then don't allow any conspiracy of left and Bhajpa, as they are trying to create anarchy in Bengal.
We have Sabyasachi right now. Sabyasachi, good morning. With doctors' protests on one hand, political protests that are also being planned.
Well, absolutely, that's right. See, the doctors are protesting on one side, and the political showdown is also going to take place not only in Kolkata but in other states as well. The BJP on one hand, they have called several press conferences and sit-in dharna by Union Minister Sukanta Majumdar, as well as Abhijit Ganguly would also be protesting. There would be a sit-in dharna by the BJP, and also in the evening there would be a candle march towards the CM's residence. Now, Mamata Banerjee, on the other hand, will also be participating in the protest, seeking justice for the victim. Meanwhile, on the other hand, the doctors in different hospitals today in Kolkata would be continuing with their agitation. Meanwhile, on the other hand, in the national capital, the doctors of different hospitals